Hey, you think you little friggin' pumpkin seeds, eh? Oh, yeah. Let's throw some salt on those pumpkin seeds. Yep. Get in the oven, little pumpkin seeds. Get in the oven. Ah. Which one to choose from? Ta-da.
Well, hello, friends. Hi there. It's the time of year again where we're going to be carving a live pumpkin. Yep, it's Halloween time. We're going to be using our Dremel flex shaft. And again, guys, here's our Kutzall burr and our flex shaft if you have a look. Look in the description below to go to the Kutzall site. And we're going to be carving this wood spirit in this pumpkin for Halloween time for all the kids to enjoy. So I hope you enjoy the video, and you can look at my playlist to find, well, Jordy's playlist to find step-by-step carving a wood spirit. Bye-bye. Hope you're good.
There will be no more carving wood spirit pumpkins. Get up there, silly little eyes. Hey guys. Okay, so in this video, I'm just gonna carve us something. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna carve. I'm just gonna goof around and have a good time. So we're gonna call this a something. It's gonna have a nose, guys. And like I said in my other videos, the best thing to carve a face is off a point like this. This is a 4x4, Western red cedar, 4x4, sliced in half. I don't know what you'd call it. So, you know, if you put another piece there, it would be square. This is the best surface to carve a face, guys, in my opinion. And I just want to take a minute here to give a shout out to a YouTube sub and now a Facebook friend. So he's called the online friend. His name's Mark Shahola. Okay? No, sorry, Mike Deblock. He lives in Shahola. Why I'm giving him the shout out, guys, is because he just got really hurt carving. Okay, he was using one of those chainsaw discs that go on the grinders. I don't think he's never used it before. And Mark, if I say something wrong here, please correct it in the description. I don't think he's ever used it before. You know those little, you get a grinder and you get those little round chainsaw things that got the chainsaw discs? I will never, ever, ever use them. I'm on lots of carving groups, and I've talked, like chainsaw carving groups, and I've talked to lots of pro carvers about them, and the pro carvers don't use them. You got to be real gentle with those things, guys. And it's only my opinion. I will never, ever use those things, and I don't suggest to use them. They're made for chainsaws for a reason. They're not, like, yeah, sure that you can carve quick with them and stuff like that, but they shouldn't be on grinders, in my opinion. And, you know, Mark had to go to the hospital, guys. First time he tried using it, hit the wood. The grinder bounced off, I believe, hit him in the leg, and tore open his leg. Straight to the hospital, okay? He's been in the hospital. I don't know if he's still in the hospital, but he's been there for 2 or 3 days. He's lucky he didn't hit a main artery. I'm not going to show you pictures of his main injury. He's in the group Beginner Chainsaw Carvers. That's my group, guys. He's in that group, so I might post a thing about his injury in there, saying not to use that disc. But you guys, you know, like even when you're using the Dremel, you know what I mean? These bits are aggressive, guys. Even these little things, they're aggressive. If it bounces off and goes across your finger, it's going to rip your skin, okay? I've had my thumb ripped from here to here with my big one for my like for my photo. I've had this thing bounce off the wood and rip up my thumb all across. I've had it rip across my finger, guys, because think about it. When it hits and it's going to rip, like, think what it can do to the wood. Think what it can do to your skin. So if you guys are real beginners, wear gloves. You can get those cut-proof gloves. Wear gloves. Clamp your piece down. Put both hands on your piece. Do you know what I mean? It's very important to be safety, guys. Very important. And Mark, you know, like, I'm going to post some pictures of Mark's carvings here, and I'm going to post pictures of his stitches. It's not that graphic. And a picture of him in the hospital. So Mark, like, I hope you're doing good, bud. And, you know, feel free to post on Beginner Chainsaw Carvers group. And how to be safe, man. And I'm glad you still got your leg. And now you have to rest, Mark. Keep that thing clean, man. That's all I can say. I had an infection in my head when I had my injury 10 years ago. Keep that sucker clean. That's all I can say to you. Okay, so here's the pictures of Mark, and then we'll start carving. I'm not going to give a tutorial on this, guys, because I don't even know what I'm carving. How can I give a tutorial when I don't know what I'm going to do? It's just going to be called something, and we'll see what happens in the end. Take it easy, Mark.
Here's the Halloween witch. Oh, she looking evil. She's looking really evil. Cranky Jessie, you better watch out. I think she got the evil eye for you. Hey, Jessie! Jessie! Woo, I'm gonna cast a spell on
Message
you.
from Amber Storms. I'm so sorry to be a huge pain.
Okay, kids, now's the time we sit back and we drink our coffee, or we drink our pop or water or tea or whatever you want to drink, whiskey, and we look at our piece and we think how good it looks and what the hell are you carving? What is this carving? Well, we don't know yet. It's not finished. Okay? Wonder where Jordy put my other fingers.
Here. There they are there. Fingers.
Okay, well, Jordy, have a good day and keep carving. Ah.
Okay, guys. So it's done. Something is done. What is it, you guys ask? It's a something. Oh, it's Halloween time, guys. It's that time of year. It's a pig spirit, Grumpy Jesse with bunny ears. And you guys, you know, I was just having fun carving this, and he's grumpy. I'd be grumpy if I had the pig nose and the bunny ears too. Well, I'd be grumpy with the kind of bunny ears for sure. I got told I had a pig nose when I was a kid. But you guys, you know, like, this is just me saying, carve what you want, guys, and who gives a shit what anybody thinks, man. Have fun. You know, and the most important thing is about being safe, you know, like, you guys, like I say in my other videos, we only live once. Does that even look like a bottom lip? Well, who knows what it looks like? It looks like a goddamn Halloween freak, weird, twisted goddamn thing. But you know, it's just about, we only live once, guys. You know, try not to get hurt when you're doing something that you enjoy, because, you know, it might not be so enjoyable. You know what I mean? So, Mark, if you want this piece, I'd love to send it out to you. You know, put it in your living room or whatever. Your wife probably wouldn't let you. But put it somewhere where you can look at it. And, you know, I just want you to know I've been thinking about you and your terrible injury. And thanks for all the support. And, whatever, this just goes to show you guys, it looks goddamn like a goddamn freak show, this thing. But it just goes to show you, carve whatever you want. You know, putting your stuff online too. You know, you're opening yourself up to the world vulnerable. You know what I mean? If I cared, I wouldn't have showed this on this video, but I don't care. It's about having a good time and enjoying your life and finding something that you love. You know, art's helped save my life. I'm going to make a video about that for my pretty soon here for my new subscribers that don't really understand my channel, what it's about. Because it's just about, well, first of all, it's about carving burs and carving tools, but it's also about how art can help you with through injuries and all that crap. You know what I mean? So, Mark, we'll be in touch. If you want this piece, I want to send it out to you. And hope you're getting better, buddy. Let that injury heal up, man. Let it heal up. Silly little bunny ears.